Hi there, it is Mrs. Nichols and Tops the Monkey, and we're so excited. This is our last story in this series. This is story number 20. That means that, boys and girls, you have learned your short vowels and your short vowel families, which was A, E, I, O, and U. All right, so let's get started. We're still focusing on the short U, as in umbrella, and you can see we have a lot of letters here, so this is going to be a longer lesson. For case B, B, D, D, M, P, P, C, K. Oh, P again, so that means that one word's going to have two P's in it. C, K, D, B, B, R, T, T, F, F, N, S, S, H, G, H. And we don't need that there. That's not necessary. And then we have in our box, our special box, these two words that we'll go over with at the end. All right, let's build some words. We're going to go ahead and start with the U and add a D, and we get ud, ud. Add the capital B, and we get the name bud, bud. Take away the B, use an M, and instead of having bud, we now have mud. All right, let's replace the D with a P, and now we have up, and we're going to add a C there, and we get the word cup. All right, this is where the extra P comes in at. We're going to replace that C with a P. Now we have P-U-P, and we get pup, pup. All right, let's move the U over here, add a B at the end, and we get ub, ub. And let's add a D, and we get dub, dub. Replace the D with an R, and now we have rub. Replace the R with a T, and now we have tub. All right, let's go ahead and move our U over here. Let's add an N at the end, and we have un, and we're going to put an F in front of it, and now we have the word fun. Let's replace the F with an R, and now we have the word run. And let's replace the R with an S, and now we have the word sun. We're not done yet. Let's move the U over here, add a G at the end, and we get ugh. Let's put a P in front of it, and we get pug. Certain type of dog, a pug. All right, let's replace the P with a T, and we get tug. All right, and we are really running out of room here, guys. All right, let's go ahead and just write this word here that's part of the ugh family. This word is hug. All right, and we add an S to it, and we get hugs. All right, and let's see if you can figure this word out. U with an S. What do you have here? You have the word us. Now notice over here you have these two words. We talked about the QU before. All right, so QU gives you a KW sound. So this word is quit, and we talked about that word before, period, okay? And then we also, I believe we talked about this before. We have IP, which is ip, add the Z, zzz, like in Bumblebee, zzz, the sound it would make. We have the word zip. All right, so we have a lot of words here, a lot of words. And so in the next lesson, we will go back over these words, and then we'll discuss our high frequency words before getting into the story. All right, we'll see you then. All right, bye-bye.